Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent everyone from sending media in a Telegram group on your Android device with the latest updates. Follow these steps to customize your group settings for better control. To get started, open Telegram on your Android device and navigate to the desired group chat. Tap on the group name located at the top of the chat to access the group info page. This page contains various settings and options for managing the group. Next, tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. This icon allows you to edit and customize the group settings according to your preferences. Select the Permissions option from the menu. This section enables you to define the permissions and actions that members of the group can perform. Locate the option labeled Send Media under the What can members of this group do section. Toggle the button next to it to turn off the permission for all group members to send media. By following these steps, you can easily prevent everyone in the Telegram group from sending media, promoting a text-based communication environment. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the updated feature that allows you to customize group settings for a more focused and controlled group experience. Happy group communication!